I got a postscript to all this, and it's this, quite simply. You can talk or you can walk. First, why is there a plaque to Dick Penderyn and not a plaque to Lewis and the 30 people that were killed over there? Now, the Apache Indians of Chile, Patagonia have a saying, you got to walk back into your past to know your history. Well, it's we've got to walk back into our past. And where you're going to walk back in your past starts here. Now, the Merthyr people should know what that slogan means. It's the slogan of Rali. But where did it arise? I'll tell you where it arose. It arose in the 16th century in Cwmwd Caio, when the peasantry and the smallholders rose up against the gentry who were enclosing their lands and said, "Thus far, no further, trash blood back our blood." Now, Cwmwd Caio is a Gruffydd of priest and Princess Gwenllian. They out as outlaws while they rose an army to strike for Welsh freedom. Cwmwd Caio, who was a Llywelyn of Gruffydd Vychan was from, who was executed brutally by the English crown. But more important, I've got this to say to you, I remember it well. This English queen is coming here today and she'll go, but one thing will remain everywhere in Wales. Her crown estates. Not only her crown estates on our mountain tops, but she actually owns Swansea Retail Park. Well, an aristocrat owns a footbridge over the river, which Swansea Council paid £80,000 for. Now here's what you gotta do. No message, no talk about independence or republic nonsense. You cannot have independence without land and liberty. So it's time you started making a strike for land and liberty. And that's going to be quite simple. In the first week of June, you march onto every mountain top in Wales, owned by this English crown, and you reclaim it for a republic. But at the same time, you raise this flag because this flag is a red pitchfork. It's a symbol of peasants' revolt, and it'll be the business end of your revolt. So no talking, get up on the mountains in June, and most importantly, count the money the vehicles for 3 days, and occupy that mountain to make sure the English aristocrats don't get their money. So, what you gonna do? Talk or walk? I say, walk! Here God! Well, yes! Our Assembly can't even organise a petition to get our land back. We have unfinished business with the tithe wars. Charles put out a petition, and he'd rather go up on a petition out there. Got a petition in the block demanding a Welsh Land Act. Go into our block, Cymru Body 2012, and see the feeble excuse of a public parliament down in Cardiff Bay. And it is a public parliament, and it always will be a public parliament. They have no intention of giving us independence unless you fight for it. Now start fighting like every other colony in this world is going to do.